Thank you for joining us today for our plumbing inspection at the property on Beechwood Drive in Thornton, Colorado. My name is Jimmy, working with Sewer Diagnostics to provide our inspection today. And currently we are located at our city tap connection up in the front street. The tap connection here appears to be properly aligned and shows good flow into the city side. We have concrete piping at our connection to the city. A portion of the line on the exterior has been replaced with PVC and a portion remains original concrete. We'll now pull the camera back to assess the remainder of the main line. Some of our concrete joint connections show some rougher material at the edges of the joint. However, if we do not see any significant separation at these joint connections, we don't see any heavy dirt or root growth, into the piping, and that joint connection still appears to be intact. At about 8 feet towards the property from our point of access, we transition from interior to exterior material. And our joint connection here appears slightly offset. However, we believe the interior cast iron piping is a 3-inch pipe joining an exterior PVC 4-inch pipe, hence the size difference. It's also important to remember that we are currently going upstream in our piping, so there should be no flow issues from 3-inch running into 4-inch downstream. We're going to go ahead and turn our water off now so we can assess the bottom of our cast iron piping. Now with that water shut off, we will go ahead and pull the camera back. We do appear to have some very minor scale buildup on the bottom of our cast iron piping. This develops naturally over time due to mineralization from water running over it. With that remaining section of concrete piping as well as cast iron on the interior, we are going to recommend an occasional cleaning of the line, taking a blade into the piping from our clean out access to scrape away any of that buildup and any root intrusion that works into the concrete. The scale buildup, for example, can be seen on the bottom of the piping, running along where the high water line is at about the 430 and 730 positions. And at this moment, it does not appear to be majorly affecting flow. No more than a mild amount standing on the cast iron.